Yung mga naghahamon sa akin, papangalanan ko, si Johnny, si Homer, si Archie, kayong tatlo humanda kayo. Yung nagigigil sa akin, stop mo yan. Kumalma ka, titirisin kita hanggang sa huli.
Welcome to David's Salon Glam Battle Royale. I'm your host, Laura Charlton, and today, two of our glam artists are going to battle it out in retro glam theme. So the stylists today are gonna have one model each. They have to create a hair and makeup look that envelopes retro glam. They have 1 hour to create this look. Now we're only gonna give them 1 minute to get to the table and collect their hair accessories and their hairstyling aids. So let the games begin. Go!
Ay, ano ba yan? May pag-ganun-ganun pa siya.
Hoy, spray it sa! Wait lang. Done.
Sisinok pa.
Okay ka lang?
Ay, sino ba?
Sinisidok kasi.
Ikaw yun, Jess? Bakit ka sinisinok? Ikaw ba ang kinakabahan para kay Mr. Jong? Naku, Mr. Jong. Parang may nararamdaman siyang hindi mo nararamdaman.
Lagot.
Mr. Johnny, Jong.
Hindi kami magkamukha.
Blush dye.
Flash on.
Bakit nape-pressure ako pag kay Mr. Jong?
Ha?
Nape-pressure ako pag sa'yo.
Bakit?
Hindi ko alam.
Ganda nga sa'yo yun.
Kung mukhang editing, kilala kita, Day. Maybe kamay mo, babe.
Nakaka-pressure pala pag si Mr. Homer.
Hindi mas nape-pressure niya ako sa'yo eh. Ang galing talaga ni Mr. Jong.
Sarah?
Gusto yung mga ganyan-ganyan eh. Ganda.
Plastic.
Ay! Ang ganda nga!
Plastic.
Ay, pag ako maniwala ka sa akin, maganda talaga yung gawa mo.
Maniwala ako pag si Johnny yung
Ay, naku, pag si Johnny nagsabi sa'yo, Day, talagang mas lalo sa Archie. Naku, Day.
Ay, si Archie ano?
Si MJ, magdadalawang isip ka pa eh. Si Archie at saka si Johnny. Naku, Day. Nasabi ko sa'yo, Day. Ilulubog ka, Day.
Parang hindi putok yung blush mo. Putok na ba?
Oo, gusto mo bang putok? Paputokin pa natin?
Ako na. Baka sumabog.
Tama na yan, Day.
Okay na!
Ay, pare. Sige,
So the theme is retro glam. How did you translate that into your hair and makeup look today?
Kumuha lang ako ng mga ilang ideas, then kinunbine ko yung mga ideas ko at saka yung ideas na na-research ko. Para siyang Hollywood, parang glamorous na walk of fame sa red carpet.
Sa red carpet na walk of fame.
Very wearable lang siya.
May specific artista or Hollywood glam?
Wala naman, kasi usually pag mga Hollywood, pag ganito yung mga looks nila eh. Yung mga half beach wave, ganyan, tapos may konting design dito.
Konting design sa hair. And then with the makeup, you went with something actually very strong yung lips.
Yes.
Gusto ko siya.
Di ba mga when you say retro, medyo bulb yung mga makeup, color, medyo power.
So you're pushing strength through the makeup, going for more bold appearances, and then just that glam with the hair.
Yes.
Nice. I like it. I like the pearls. So do you think you're gonna win with this beautiful look?
Yes, 100%. But nakita ko rin yung gawa ni Mr. Homer. Medyo ganun yung laban namin today.
Neck and neck.
Yes.
I love the confidence though. Kaya mo yan. Okay, Mr. Homer, parang you came to fight today, ah.
Yes.
How did you inspire this look?
Nag-research din ako. Parang Marilyn Monroe. Kaya lang ito kasi medyo long version. Kaya, at saka sa texture ng hair niya kasi kanina, hindi ko ma-achieve yung ganun ka-blonde.
Okay.
Yung mga level 8 or 9. Kaya nag-highlights na lang ako. Then medyo warm tone. Kasing sa skin tone niya din.
Wow. So we're looking at the morena na Marilyn.
Yes, ganon.
Ang galing. And I like this with the hair. So you went with barrel curls on top. Where did you get the idea for barrel curls?
Sa online.
Sa online.
Ayan.
Gusto ko yung mga barrel curls actually. Slight little history. When I used to compete in college, lagi kami ginagamit ng barrel curls para magvo-volume at magsa-stable yung hairstyle ng model. And then, how did you interpret and tie in the makeup look?
Sa makeup naman medyo soft, light lang. Medyo in-intense ko lang sa lips at saka yung eyeliner niya lang. Yun lang.
Ang galing. And matching ang pearls.
Yes,
retro
with
glam
pearls.
talaga.
Very lang, glam lang. Ayun.
Yes. Ang ganda niya. Ano pa? Are you gonna win today? Is this the winning look for our
Feeling ko
models?
mananalo ko today kasi napakasimple ng isa at saka sweet. Sa akin kasi medyo fierce.
So fierce is going to eat up the sweet look. Gusto ko yan. Osha, thank you so much. How do you find your look? Reborn na siya, Mr. Homer. Ikaw na talaga.
Diba?
Gusto ko yan. Okay, Mr. Homer, you've been waiting for this day. Ang laban mo talaga si Mr. Jong.
Yes. Tagang ginalingan ko talaga at saka kinain ko siya ng buong buo.
Ay, bongga talaga. Ang labang is crazy today.
Yeah.
How do you find the model of Mr. Jong?
Napakasimple lang, parang magagawa ng kahit grade 3.
Ay, masakit. How do you feel, Jong? Okay ka lang ba dyan?
Well, sa akin naman, gusto ko lang yung wearable at kayang gawin ng lahat. Anyone can do.
Anong gusto mo sabihin kay Mr. Homer regarding his model?
Well, actually, ginalingan niya talaga.
Nag-guilty ka na. Binuli mo siya, tapos sabi niya magaling ka. Hindi ba?
Pero syempre, wag tayong pakampante. Medyo, baka lunukin din ako ni Mr. Jong ng buong buo. Alam kong may mga galamay siya.
Ang galing yung dalawa, sa totoo lang. In fairness, maganda yung styling niyo. Actually, nakita ko yung 40s flight girl, yung may barrel curls, tapos yung glam na soft waves sa side, and the beautiful strong lips. Pero well done, guys.
Thank you.
We will see if the viewers are going to vote for Mr. Homer or Mr. Jong by liking the videos that we're gonna put out of their hairstyles. So that's both of the models done. Homer and Jong were our competitors for today. Naglaban talaga sila, no? So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our videos and channel. Make sure to go and find Jong and Homer's videos in Facebook and TikTok and Instagram because they need your like to win the vote. So, thank you for joining us today. I'm your host, Laura Charlton. See you next time.
Ang gusto kong hahamunin sa susunod na laban ay si Archie. Kaya Archie, maghanda ka na. I-ready mo na dapat mong i-ready.
Hi MJ! I heard ako daw yung gusto mong makalaban at ako yung kinatatakutan mo. Pues, maghanda ka pag nagtapat tayo dahil baka mamayat ka, okay?